What's up guys, it's Josiah from Fresh Tech. Today we're gonna be reviewing the VR2 active ribbon microphone from SE Electronics. Make sure to like the video, subscribe, and hit the bell to get notified when we put more videos out. So today we're gonna look at the SE Electronics VR2 active ribbon microphone. Nice, dense, aluminum-bodied ribbon microphone we have here. Really feels good to the touch, weighty, the finish is good, the fit is good. It looks just stunning. One of the things I really like about this microphone is the frequency response. It's one of the few ribbon microphones in the world. I think all the other ones that have the same frequency response are also SE Electronic microphones. The frequency response of this one specifically is 20 Hertz to 18,000 Hertz. The use case, violins, voices, anything with a lot of high end that requires clarity in those upper frequencies, sounds absolutely stunning. The capsule pattern on this is a figure 8, about what you would expect from that. No switches, no padding, nice and simple. One of the unique features about SE microphones is that every single one is hand built and hand tested. The 2.5 micron aluminum ribbon in here is hand tensioned. Things that are included in this mic package, obviously the microphone, comes in this wonderful wooden box. Comes with a little mic bag as you saw earlier. Mic adapter, a clip, a shock mount, some extra rubber bands, all that fun stuff. So we're gonna move on to a product demo for you. So I'm gonna talk into one of these microphones and you get an idea with my low gravelly voice, what it's gonna sound like. I want to preface this test by saying that this microphone is completely unedited and unprocessed. You're getting the natural flat frequency response of the microphone here. The warmth that you hear is typical of ribbon mics, but what is atypical of ribbon mics is you get a lot of the high end, especially in voices and instruments like violins and guitars. That really nice, crisp, like 3K to 8K is very present, and you still hear a lot of the airiness and the breathiness above 10K. The frequency response of this mic, as we previously mentioned, 20 Hertz to 18,000 Hertz, very atypical of ribbon microphones. This microphone's pretty much flat up until you hit about 3K, and there's a little bit of a boost from 3 to 6K, it flattens back out, and then the next dip you get is really about 18K. Really warm, really love the tone that this microphone gives. What else did I say? Is that all the talking points I hit? The SE Electronics VR2 microphone. Fantastic microphone for the price. Reliable, sturdy, inexpensive. One of the best ribbon microphones currently on the market. So if you guys head on over to shop.freshtech.me, we'll put a link down in the description. Use the code FTVR2 at checkout to get 10% off this microphone. See you guys in the next video. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram and Facebook at freshtech.me. If you guys are interested in the equipment we used to make this video, everything will be linked in the description below.